For every 100 boys that enter Scouting, 30 will drop out the first year. Only rarely will one appear before a juvenile court judge. 12 will be from families that do not belong to church. 6 of these will be brought into contact with the church and continue. 3 will become pastors. 45 will serve in the military. 1 person will use Scouting skills to save someone else's life. 2 will report that they use Scouting skills to save their own lives. 17 will later serve as adult volunteers. 8 will find their future life vocations from Scouting. 5 will receive church emblems. And 4 out of every 100 Scouts will reach the rank of Eagle. Welcome to the 4%. Christopher, Cohen, Colin, and Christopher. And the story continues. Only 4 out of the 100 boys in the U.S. will become Scouts, but of the leaders of this nation, in business, religion, and politics, 3 out of 4 were in Scouts. Only 4% of our nation's youth were Scouts, yet 65 of all the college and university graduates were Scouts. 26 of 29 first astronauts in the NASA program were Eagle Scouts. 64% of the Air Force Academy graduates were Scouts. 58% of West Point graduates were Scouts. 70% of Annapolis graduates were Scouts. 72 of Rhode Island scholars were Scouts. 85% of the FBI agents were Scouts at one time. Scouts have aims and methods, things found in the Scout Oath and Law. The patrol method, outdoor training, personal growth, leadership. Advancement is certainly one of these, but not the only one. Just being part of the program gives the opportunity to better and belong. Some Eagle Scouts that we may know, such as Gerald Ford, Hank Aaron, Steven Spielberg. Scouting makes a difference, and you will make a difference too. Congratulations.